Hi there. Today I'll show you LifeCycle financial planning software in Microsoft Access database. So firstly, we need to use user ID, password, and location for login into this system. Then this is the first interface, the client database. So here you can see open full database, refresh, open client file, client report, tools, and exit database. And here you can modify this data or save this data. And here once you select a supplier ID, I mean SIN, then it will be auto populate the rest fields. And once you click the open full database, then it will be show the another dashboard interface. And where you will find client database, term deposits, supplier data, cash withdrawals, check deliveries, annuities, life and term certain, disability insurance, life insurance policies, interest rate data, meeting guide, advisor, and communication. And you will be love the report design. Let's see the report one by one. So firstly I am going to term deposit, and here you can add new term deposit here. And in this reporting section you can choose by maturity date and individual report or all report. So I'm going individual report. So this is the report for client deposit maturity notice. So the reporting looks pretty good, and here you can save into Excel or HTML or PDF or another format, and directly you can print this. Once you click print, then it will be asked where you want to save and then print, and this is the exit button. And this is record to term deposit reports, and here you can see by all reports, then it will be show report one by one. This is the client deposit maturity notice. And then existing once I click the exit, then this interface will be gone, and this is the main dashboard. Then here supplier data, same as you can edit or modify this database here, save or delete. And here you can add new supplier data. And then here reporting section, you can choose a SIN number, and then once you click individual report, then it will be show the report here. And here you can find the all supplier information. And then cash withdrawals, let's go first the cash withdrawals report. This is the SIN or BIN number, choose anyone. And then this is the cash withdrawals report designed. And then here you can add new data. This is form. And then check delivery, let's go to the report check delivery. This is the check delivery report design. You can save or print. And here you can refresh the data after input new data set, and there you can add new check details here. Once you select a SIN or BIN number, then rest of the field will be filled automatically. Okay, I would like to close and then exit. Then here annuities, life and term certain. Let's go to the report. This is our report. This is the design for this annuities and term certain, and all available fields are available here. Here you can see the all reports, and add new annuities, life and term certain. And then here disability insurance, go to the report individual. This is the design of this report, and here you can find the all reports. Add new disability insurance data. This is the new form. Once you select a SIN or BIN number, then it will be auto populated here. I would like to close And then life insurance policies, go to the report. This is the designed report for this client life insurance policies, and here you can add new data. This is the design of this form. You can, once you select a SIN number, then it will be auto populate the rest of the relative fields. And then your interest rate data, you can add new interest rate data here. And then this is the report for interest rate data, client interest rates. All available fields and are available here. And this is the good design, I think, for this client interest rate. And then I'll be go the meeting guide, go to the report. This is the all report section. All report will be show here, and here you can choose a individual report. This is the individual report designed, and here add new data. This is the form for meeting guide. You can see, and then advisor, add new. This is the form for advisor. And then your report, you can choose anyone for show this report. Okay, also you are able to input here manually. If the drop menu not shows the correct data, then you can choose, input here manually. And then sorry, almost I showed. And then communication, so here you can add new communication data, and here you can see the report all available, all entered communication information. And also you can choose a single SIN or bin number and then see the individual reports, and you can same as you can print same as you want. And here you will be see the tools. Here you can add new user, user here. This is the location setup, so you can add more location here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This was the main interface for financial life cycle financial securities planning. Let me know if you'd like to build the similar one or another Microsoft Access database software. I will try to give you as my best Microsoft Access database software development. Thank you.